Welcome to all. In this class today I will teach you about reproduction. The production of new organism from the existing organism of the same species is known as reproduction. Reproduction is essential for the survival of a species on this earth. Reproduction gives rise to more organisms with the same basic characteristics as their parents. Type of reproduction. There are two main methods, means two main types of reproduction in living organisms. First, asexual reproduction, and second, sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction without gamete reproduction, sexual reproduction with gamete reproduction. Now we know all in details one by one. First of all, asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction, the reproduction in the production of new organism from a single parent without the involving of gametes is called asexual reproduction. Now one question arises, what is gamete? Gamete means reproductive cell. Reproductive cell is called gamete. Two type of gamete, male gamete, female gamete. Male reproductive cell and female reproductive cell. So where gamete involves is called asexual reproduction, and where gamete is not involved, which type of reproduction where gamete is not involved is called asexual reproduction. Example, binary fission in amoeba, budding in hydra, spore formation in rhizomes, regeneration in planaria, और fragmentation in spirogyra, vegetative propagation in flowering plants, etc. These are type of asexual reproduction. Please note that asexual reproduction is the simplest method of reproduction. It takes place mainly in those organisms whose bodies have simple structure. Now we know about sexual reproduction. Second type of reproduction. Sexual reproduction means reproduction with gamete. The reproduction of the production, not reproduction, the production of new organism from two parents by making use of their gametes is called sexual reproduction. Two parents use their gametes, means use their reproductive cell. This type of reproduction is called sexual reproduction. In sexual reproduction, two parents are needed to produce new organism. New organism means offspring, newborn. So it is essential, and two parents are essential in sexual reproduction, but single parent in asexual reproduction. Now we know about difference in asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Now we know about difference between asexual and sexual reproduction. What difference? Asexual reproduction, only one parent is needed in asexual reproduction, but in sexual reproduction, two parents are needed in sexual reproduction. Second difference, no sex cells or gametes are involved in sexual reproduction, but no sex cells or gametes are involved in asexual reproduction. But in sexual reproduction, sex cells or gametes are essential in sexual reproduction. Third difference, offspring means newborn, new generation. Offspring genetically identical to the parent, but in sexual reproduction, offspring means newborn, a genetic mix of parent genetic materials, not identical. Fourth difference, less energy and resource. Less energy and resource required, but in sexual reproduction, more energy and resources required. Fifth difference, it is faster process. Asexual reproduction is faster process, but sexual reproduction is slower process. Examples of asexual reproduction: bacteria, yeast, coral, flatworm, sea stars, etc. Examples of sexual reproduction: flowering plants, humans, dogs, fish, chickens, etc. So here difference between asexual and sexual reproduction is complete. Next day we know details of reproduction. So thanks, complete your topic.